Okay, so we are going to start by downloading the Samsung browser. Then we'll install it and explore the browser. Okay, let's start. Welcome to Potsherd Media. So now I have my browser open, my Google Chrome browser open. So we'll search for Samsung browser for Windows. Okay, so just choose this one. Then we'll click on this first link. Okay, so we have this here. You can see Samsung browser for Windows. Browse seamlessly with Galaxy AI. Okay, so we just click on this download over here. So I'll just click on download and it starts downloading. Okay, so it's done. Let's open it. So as you can see here, the Samsung browser setup has been downloaded. So all you have to do is to just open it. And make sure you click on yes. Now you have this thing showing up, so just click on install. So let's wait for this to finish. You can see it's installing Samsung browser. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish. So you can see it is down here. It says welcome to Samsung browser, a fast and simple web browser that puts your privacy and security first. Okay, so let's click on I agree to send. Error report automatically, then continue. Okay, it says you should sign in to do more in Samsung browser. So you can decide to sign in, but I'll choose not now. And it says import your bookmarks and other data. So what this does is that it imports your bookmarks and other data from the browser you've been using. So if it was Chrome or Edge or Internet Explorer, you can choose them, then it imports. But I'll just choose skip for now. Okay, so is it turn on ad blocking? I'll turn it on, then start. So now I have this, it's opened. You can see how it is. We have the tab, yeah, the new tab. We have the search bar, and we have this as well. And we have the Galaxy Store app here. So if you want to just go straight to the Galaxy Store, you have this here. You have Google, you have YouTube, you have this plus icon to add more website to it. Okay, you have this sign to sync tab that you can sign in, then you can sync all your tabs from other devices. Okay, so we have this back, the home button, reload as well. We have everything here. You also have this sign in part if you want to sign in to sync your bookmark, open tabs and more. Okay, we just have one tab, so you can see that's why it is only one. You can add as many as you want. Okay, so you have the split here, the split view. So just like in Google Chrome, there's also a split view, so you have it here. You can just click on it and you have a different tab here, a different tab here. You can decide to open YouTube here and open a different website you'll be using here. Okay, so let's go on. We have this bookmark here as well. We have this side, and it's just like Google Chrome. Okay, so the new tab, the new window, we have new secret mode window here as well. Okay, so when you go down, you also have the settings there. Let's go to the settings and just check something. So let me click on this side. Let's go to the about Samsung browser. Okay, so it's just using the same thing Google also use. Okay, Google also has a similar thing here. Okay, so you can see that the same framework was used to build Samsung. Okay, so now when you click on this side, it's still sign in. If you want to use the Galaxy AI, you still have to sign in. Okay, let's click here. You have the Samsung Cloud. You can sync in and get all your files and folders and contacts as well. This is also your calendar. Okay, so you have your calendar here as well. But you can also add more apps if you want to. Okay, so there's the Galaxy stores here. There's Samsung Newsroom. There's also Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You can add as many as you want. You just have to click here, then it's added to it. Okay, so let me just close this. So you have always show sidebar and sidebar settings. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. Clicking here as well, you can also, this is the home page settings. Okay, so you have the new tab page from other devices. We have privacy report. You have the most visited, so you can just turn on this one. You can also turn on the clock, and also you can change the theme of this background. You can change it. So all you have to do is just click here. Now you have to look for your picture. I'll go to pictures, and I have this same background I have. Okay, so I just click on it, then you can just fix it wherever you want to fix it, then done. So you just have the same background you have for your desktop and also for your browser. This is quite insane. So now you can just use it for just your daily browsing and search for anything you want to. Okay, so let me go to YouTube. Okay, so this is YouTube. Then I'll just search for my channel's name. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. That's our channel. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll be releasing more tech videos just like this in the future. So just subscribe and like this video as well. I'll be very glad if you do that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. This is just the installation and the exploration of the Samsung Galaxy browser. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.